Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial series. This is a series of videos to guide you throughout the creation of a sample process from scratch with AgileXRM platform. This is the first video of this series. The main goal is to give you an overview of how to design processes and dialogues without going into too much detail. You may improve your knowledge with additional videos. To understand the context of what we are going to do, this tutorial series explains how to create a leave request app for the employees of our organization. In this stage 0, we will deploy and set up the basic components. In stage 1, we will create a basic approval process with AgileXRM. In stage 2, we will create an AgileDialog to guide the creation of requests. In further videos, we will add more functionality to our app. You will be using two main platform components: AgileXRM Envision for modeling the process and dialogue, and AgileXRM Process Manager for viewing and visually managing the process. As technical requirements to complete this quick start, you need a Power Platform environment with administrator rights, an AgileXRM environment connected to your organization, and the latest version of Microsoft Visio activated. The first stage of this series is Stage 0 preparation. You must complete this stage first as it sets up the required components. In this tutorial, you will deploy and set up the solution to kickstart your learning process. The steps to complete this quick start are: download and deploy a solution in your environment, and create a team to use in your process. Enable integration between AgileXRM and your Dataverse environment. Let's start with the first step. Download and deploy the solution. The basic components of the solution are packaged in a managed solution that you can deploy to your environment. To obtain the solution package, please download this file. Save this file somewhere on your computer. To deploy this solution, we will start by navigating to make.powerapps.com. We head to Solutions and click Import Solution. We select the solution file we downloaded earlier and click Next. The system analyzes the solution package, displays a summary, and we simply click Import to start the importing process. Please note this process might take a while. After a few minutes, the system notifies that the solution has been imported successfully. We head to Manage Solutions, and we see a new solution is present: Leave Request Solution. This solution contains a model-driven app. To open this app, we head to the root of our organization to see the available apps. We see the Leave Requests app. We open this app. We see it is quite simple. It contains a list of leave requests and a list of tasks. Create a team to use in your process. There are three main participants in our process: the requester, the manager, and the HR team. The next step is to create a team in your environment to use it in our processes. To do so, we head back to the previous tab. We click Power Platform and then Power Platform Admin Center. This opens a new tab with the Admin Center. We navigate to the Environment section. We select our environment, and we select Teams to manage the teams. We will create a new team in our organization. We simply click Create Team. In the side panel, we type the team's name, HR. We select the business unit, and we specify the administrator. For team type, we will choose Owner. We click Next. In the next screen, we need to add team members. We will add a couple of users here for testing purposes. We click Next. Lastly, select the basic user security role and click Save to finish the creation of this new team. We will need an additional user to act as manager. We head back to our environment and click on Users. We select our own user and look in the Manager section. If no manager is set, we click Change Manager. We select the manager, say Buster Keaton, and click OK. This configuration is complete. Enable integration with Dataverse. The last step is to enable the integration between the Dataverse tables and activities and AgileXRM. To do this, there is an app to manage and configure these settings. Let's go back to our apps. We click on AgileXRM app. This is the AgileXRM administration tool. It allows an administrator to configure the system and manage the process templates and instances. Without entering in too much detail about the capabilities of this app, we switch to the Administration area, then Configuration section. In the Entities tab, we see all the tables available in Dataverse. We locate the table Leave Request that was created as part of the solution we imported. We select the table and click Apply Changes to Entities. This will generate and deploy a custom solution in your Dataverse environment that will link the table and the AgileXRM processes. This process might take a while, but needs to be done only once per table. This integration step is complete. Our processes can also manage Dataverse activities such as tasks. To enable the integration between activities and AgileXRM, we switch to the Activities tab. We see the available activities, locate the task activity, select it, and click Apply Changes to Activities to enable the integration. This process might also take a while to complete, but once it is done, all our processes will be able to manage task activities. The system is now ready to start building AgileXRM processes and AgileDialogs. This is the end of the preparation stage. We can start the creation of our Leave Request Approval app. Refer to the next videos to continue this quick start tutorial.